Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Luh Kel. Maybe first time growing guitar, crazy, but that is maybe how it is. Anyway, Missing Your Love is the title of the song, and I'm missing your love as well, guys. So if you want to show me some love, yeah, you know how. Subscribe to this channel and you'll like this tutorial afterwards if you in fact did. So anyway, let's go into Missing Your Love, and we're gonna use a capo on the first fret. That is the best setup for us. With that, 4 chords. Let's take a look at the chords. We're gonna look into C first, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is G, B chord, I believe, but anyway, we don't have to have the correct name. The main thing is how to play it. So what you're gonna do here is to just place one finger on the 2nd fret A, and then keep everything below that open. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, that is the G, B chord. Next is the A minor 7, and it goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is F, which is a bar chord, so play the index finger on the 1st fret and you cover all strings there, you push them down, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so there we have the chords. So let's focus first on the melody. I think that is the most important thing here in the song. So let's do it chord by chord, starting with C. It's very simple, guys. So you're gonna play like this. So you actually just have to hold the 3rd on A and 1st on B. You can hold the full chord if you want to, but yeah, that is not necessary for the melody. So you're gonna play 3rd A, open G, 1st B, back to open G, and then again you're gonna play 3rd A, open G, 1st B, and open G. So like technically it's just 2 rounds of the same, but the how it comes, the rhythm is a little bit different. It goes like this. Okay, so you have to practice that. The notes are the same, so you just play 2 rounds of the same pattern here. Okay, so the A minor part is played with the same pattern as the C and B chord as well, just a different grip. Now you can just hold the 1st fret B string, that's enough. And you're gonna play open A, open G, 1st B, and back to open G. And then again, open A, open G, 1st B, and open G. With the same rhythm, it gives you. Okay. And then we have the final chord, the F. Now, I suggest you hold like this. 1st fret on E string and 1st on B. This is just a little bit different than the other chords when it comes to the pattern. It goes like this. So we have an extra bass note squeezed in here into the mix here. So we're gonna start with 1st fret E string in the bass, then open G, 1st B, and open G. And then comes the 1st E again, then open G, and here you're gonna add on 1 extra 1st fret E string before you play the 1st B and open G. So it goes like this. Right, and there you have the melody. So from beginning till the very end, it goes like this. Alright, you can just roll that, but maybe you want to play some strumming as well, and then we're gonna go back and learn that with the 1st C chord. It goes like this. Okay, so the first part, or first half of it, will be down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. Short pause, and then comes down, clap, down. So if you put that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. That is one round, and that is what you're going to play as well per chord. So C1, B1, A minor 1, and F1, like this. And you can mix it up with some sweet melody as well. And that, my friends, is how you handle Luh Kel's Missing Your Love. So, like I said in the intro of this tutorial, if you like this, then thumb up and be here for the next upload. Till then, guys, play tuned.